So for this problem, to evaluate the integral of cosine 5x times sine 3x, so observe that the given angles for every functions are not equal. So 5x for cosine and 3x for sine. So in this case, we're going to use the product sum identity. So this is cosine A times sine B. So using this identity, cosine A times sine B, and this is equal to the integral of 1/2 times sine A plus B, or sine 5x plus 3x, then minus sine A minus B, or sine 5x minus 3x, then the dx. Then to simplify, so we need to put this constant outside. So this is 1/2. Then the integral of sine 8x. So that's 5x plus 3x. Then minus the integral of 2x. So from 5x minus 3x. Then the dx. Then we need to integrate every terms. So we have 1/2 times the integral of sine 8x dx, then minus the integral of sine 2x dx. Then to find out the integral, so since the integral of sine u, this is equal to negative cosine u, then over the derivative of u plus c. So this becomes 1/2, then times. So the integral of sine is negative cosine. So this is negative cosine 8x, then over the derivative of 8x, that's 8. Then minus, again, the integral of sine is negative cosine, then over the derivative of 2x, that's 2, then plus c. Then to simplify, so multiply this 2 times 8, so that's 16. So this is 1 over 16. But since there is negative, so we have negative 1 over 16. Then times cosine 8x. Then for this, double negative. So this becomes positive. And is 2 times 2. So this is 4. So this is 1 over 4. Or plus 1 over 4, then times cosine 2x, then plus c.